Alright. Now I just hold down my hose reel in my softwash skid all the way to the back, and then just come here and start my softwash system. You can see right there. So later on, after we finish the back, I start doing the building front and that, and after that we're gonna be doing the surface cleaning this walkway all the way through that, the white walkway, and through here. Alright guys, we're going to ready for suppose about 10 o'clock in the morning here in this awesome day. And now let's get going. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.